Good morning, students. Yesterday we have solved the half question of this exercise. Today I will solve the remaining questions. So the first question is, the price of a calculator is rupees 1725. So what is the price of 367 such calculators? So whenever in the question a calculator means that one calculator. So the price of one calculator is given 1725, and more than one calculator the price of calculator is asked. So when more than one it is asked in the question, at that time what you have to do? You have to multiply. So the price of one calculator is given 1725. So what will be the price of 367 calculator? What you will do? 1725 multiply 367. Why we will multiply? Because one calculator price is given and more than one calculator price is asked in the question. So how you will multiply? First you will multiply this 7 with this figure, you will get this answer. Then you will multiply 6 with this number, you will get this answer. Then you will multiply 3 with this number, you will get this answer. And then you will add all these numbers and you will get the answer that what is the price of 367 calculator. So what is the price of 367 calculator? 6,33,075. Now the next question is, the distance between the house of Aditya and his school is 1 kilometer 625 meter. So the distance between the house of Aditya and his school is 1 kilometer 625 meter. So every day he walks both the ways. Find the total distance covered in 6 days. So the distance between your house and school is 1 kilometer and 625 meter. Okay, so every day as you are going from your home to school and coming from your school to home. So when you are going from your home to school, the distance is covered 1 kilometer and 625 meter. Now as you are going to school, you will come back also, yes or no? So 2 times you have traveled, because 2 ways you have to travel. So what you will do? You will multiply by 2. Then only you will be able to calculate that how much distance you have covered on a single day. So distance covered between the house of Aditya and his school is this much. So distance covered by walking both the ways is 1 kilometer 625 meter multiplied by 12. So 2 5s are 10, 0 1 carry, 2 2s are 4 and 1 5, 2 6 are 12, 2 1 carry, 2 1 are 2 1 3. So what is the distance travelled in a single day? 3 kilometer and 250 meter. Now the distance covered in one day is 3 kilometer and 250 meter. So what is the distance covered in 6 days? As here one day distance covered is given, and if you have to find the distance covered more than one day, what you have to do? Similarly you have to multiply as we have done in previous question. So 6 multiply 0, you will get 6. 6 multiply 5, you will get 30. 0, 3 will be carried. Then 6 multiply 2, 12, plus 3, 15, 5, 1 carry. Then 6 multiply 3, 18, and 1, 19. So how much distance is covered? 19 kilometer and 500 meter. Now the next question is, the car covers 874 kilometer in 16 hours. Find the speed of the car. So the distance is given 875 kilometer and the time is given 16 hours. So what is the formula of speed? Distance upon time. So distance is 874 and the time is 16 hours. Now here roughly I have solved. So we will divide 874 by 16. Yes or no? 16 5s are 80. You will subtract 80 from 87, you will get 7. Then 4 is carried downward. Then 74, 16 4s are 64. So this is also kilometer and this is also kilometer. Yes or no? Now you can't write. How you can write? You can write in kilometer and meter. So we will convert this kilometer into meter. 1 kilometer equals 1000 meter. So we will multiply 10 by 1000 and we will get 10,000 meter. Then again we will divide this 10,000 by 16. 16 6 are 96. Then we will subtract 96 from 100 and we will get 4. Then 16 2s are 32. Then we will get 80. Then 16 5s are 80. Now as this is in meter, yes or no? So we will get 625 meter. So how much speed is covered? 54 kilometer 625 meter per hour. Because kilometer per hour, because speed we are calculating the speed in kilometer per hour. Distance is given in kilometer and the time is given in hours. Now the next question is, for making 13 shirts of the same size. Now how many shirts you have to make? 13 shirts. A 29 meter and 25 centimeter length of cloth is needed. So how many cloth is needed for making 13 shirts? 29 meter and 25 centimeter. Now how much length of cloth is required for each shirt? Matlab for one shirt. In this question, 13 shirt cloth, the length of cloth is needed for 13 shirt is given and you have to find for one shirt. So when more is given and you have to find less, what you have to do? You have to do divide. So first for 13 shirt cloth needed is 29 meter and 25 centimeter. So you will convert this into centimeter. So 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. So you will multiply it by 100. You will get 2900 and then you will add this 25 and you will get 2925 centimeter. Now what you have to find? You have to find for one shirt. What you will do? For 13 shirt is given and you have to find for one shirt. So what you will do? You will divide by 13. So 13 2s are 26. You will subtract, you will get 3. 2 is carried downward, 32. 13 2s are 26. And 5 is carried downward, 65. 13 5s are 65. So for one shirt how much cloth is needed? 225 centimeter, or you can write 2 meter or 25 centimeter. How you can write? As 1 meter equals 100 centimeter, so we will divide by 100. 100 2s are 200. So this figure will be in meter and this figure will be in centimeter. So 2 meter and 25 centimeter. Thank you.